Creating an autoresponder message has never been easier with MonsterMail. Now, there's a couple different ways to do this. We can just come over here to Menu and create autoresponder. Now, what an autoresponder is this is an automatic scheduling of messages that you set up in advance so that you don't have to go in and create what's called a newsletter. This is perfect for those that already have a sequence of messages that they want to deliver to their audience but don't want to spend the time going in and sending them one by one. You can go in and set these up in advance and they'll automatically be triggered based on different things and sent out to the list of your choice. So there's currently two different types of autoresponders. There's time-based and action-based. Let's go ahead and start with time-based. Time-based means that after they've opted into your list, there's a certain amount of time after that, days, that they'll receive the very first message. So you can do 0 days, which would be the exact day after they have subscribed to your list. They'll go ahead and receive the first message. 1 day, 2 days, 10 days, anything that you want. So let's stick with 0, means that it'll be sent out immediately. And then we're going to select which campaign that we want this to work for. We'll just choose James Test. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and choose my message or create my own message. Now, to choose a message, you would just select one from the previously built library, or you would click on Create Your Own. After you've created your own, simply come back, and then we're going to give this a name. So maybe we're going to name this, not welcome, but we're going to name this tip number 1. And then from here we can click on Save or Save and Publish. So after we've clicked on Save and Publish, you'll be taken to this big calendar that will show you exactly all your autoresponders that you've created up until this point. So the status of this is off. We can turn it to on very simply by clicking here. We can go ahead and copy this, edit it, view it, or delete it. Now we can continue to add in autoresponders here very simply by clicking on the Add button, and it'll take us right back over, and we'll be here again to create another email. Now let me talk about the action-based emails that you can send out. There's going to be clicked and opened. Let's cover clicked first. Clicked simply means that they have taken the action of clicking a link in a previous sent email, and that will now trigger this one. We go ahead and select which campaign that we want to use. Let's just select blog list, and then if subscriber in blog list clicks, and then you'll be able to choose which message that you want. And we'll be able to select a link from that template, which there's none in that current template, so that's why I can't select one. But you would click, you would choose which link that you want, that after they've clicked it, you send them another message. So after they've clicked a certain link in this message, then they would be sent this message here. We're going to go ahead and name this again, so let's just call this tip number 2, and then Save or Save and Publish. That will once again take us over to the calendar view here. You'll see that it's here, the status is on. We can copy, edit, view, or go ahead and throw this away in the trash can. We can come up here and click on Create New. We can click on the Add button here to create another one, and that'll take us right back over. And then you'll see also too the list view here at the bottom. So this gives you a little bit details about the autoresponder itself. It says that it clicked and it's based on action, and then it'll show you how many have been sent already. So let's come back over here to Create Autoresponder one last time, and let me show you the opened and how that works. Now this action is triggered on them opening an email. So now again, I start by choosing my campaign. So somebody in James Test, if they open this, then I'm going to send them this message. And then I simply give it a name. Let's do this tip number 3, and Save and Publish. This will redirect you over to the management page, which will again show you the time-based autoresponders we have here and the action-based autoresponders that we have here at the bottom. So you've seen me create one time-based autoresponder here and 2 action-based autoresponders. We can simply turn them on and off here, and we can choose to create a new one here for action-based autoresponders, or come up here and click Create New for a new time-based autoresponder. As well, for here, if we wanted to just simply select how many days afterwards and the Add button, it would take us back over to the Create Autoresponder page once again to create that message to be sent out to our subscribers.